In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to multiple tags in Mailchimp, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started by getting you logged into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't done so already, head over to Mailchimp's website and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the homepage where all the Mailchimp magic begins. On the upper right corner of your dashboard, you'll see a button that says Create. Go ahead and click on that. This is your first step towards crafting that all-important email. When you click Create, you'll be presented with several options. For today's tutorial, choose Email. This choice sets you on the path to designing your communication piece. Next, you'll decide on the type of email you want to send. Mailchimp gives you the option to choose between a regular email, which allows for rich text and graphics, or a plain text email that's, as the name suggests, plain and straightforward. Pick the one that best suits your needs. After you've named your campaign, you'll want to direct your attention to the campaign builder, specifically the To section. Click on that and prepare to select your audience. This is done by accessing the Audience drop-down menu. Choose the correct audience from your list to ensure your message reaches the right people. Once you have chosen your audience, you will see an option labeled Segment or Tag. Clicking on this is crucial for our purpose today. Under the segment options, you'll need to select Group or Tag, which will then allow you to specifically target with tags. Here's where you can hone in on your target audience. On the next screen, select the tags to whom you wish to send the email. What's great about Mailchimp is its flexibility. You're not restricted to just one tag, you can add multiple tags. Simply select a tag and click Add to include others as needed. A pro tip here, be mindful of the logic you set while deciding on your tags. If you want your email to reach any contacts with any of the chosen tags, configure your logic to reflect this option, such as contacts match any of the tags. With your audience set, it's now time to craft your message. Click Design Email to dive into the design interface. Here you have the freedom to customize your template, add content, and experiment with layouts. Once you're satisfied with the design, take a moment to preview it. This step is important to ensure everything looks just as you intended. Before the final send-off, review all the campaign details once more. This last check is your opportunity to catch any discrepancies or last-minute changes. If everything looks good, you can either click Send Now to distribute your email immediately, or choose to schedule it for a later date. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to sending an email to multiple tags in Mailchimp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.